The Office of Mental Health put out this, at this point, very frequently read piece of guidance back in 2022, which speaks to how this standard really should be interpreted in practice. There's a lot of case law over the years. I'm not sure of a lot of our state highest courts, Court of Appeals precedent on this, but there's a lot of the appellate divisions that have weighed in on this over time and have already, in many instances, said that this essential needs standard can be considered as a reason for transport and or admission. So in a lot of ways, this standard's already kind of out there. It's obviously not codified, and now it's going to be. So now it's going to be, I suppose, clear as day on one hand that that's the standard. This essential needs piece can play into it. On the other side, though, like, how do we actually spell out the individual circumstances now, right? Because inability to care for one's basic needs can look a lot of different ways, and like there's a gravity, there's a scale to that. So, I think with the guidance already in place, with the case law already in place, this will cement a lot of that. The impact that I anticipate seeing, and this might lead into another question you have, is on the transport side. I think that with an even kind of more emboldened, obvious standard there, I do think there's going to be an uptick in people being transported to hospitals. I don't know if it's going to change the admission side so much, but I think it's going to result in an uptick of transport to hospitals.